Emerging technologies used in adult learning, career tech, and instructional design. Hello, I'm Rhonda Nicholson, current student at Athens State University. I majored in instructional design and career technical education. I currently work for Limestone County Board of Education. I am a facilitator in e-learning for access and Edgenuity infrastructures. I am a web designer, graphic designer, and social media specialist. In today's overview, we will identify the characteristics of 3D printing and cloud computing. We will discuss what technologies are emerging and used to address the characteristics of adult learning. I will explain two frameworks in the Multiplying Impact article and how they align with these above technologies. I will explain why each technology can benefit or enhance the teaching practices of adult learning in career technical education and instructional design. Emerging technologies and how it's used to address the characteristics of adult learning. 3D printing and cloud computing are technologies that are emerging in the instructional design field. So what is 3D printing and cloud computing? 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing and is manufacturing process where a 3D printer creates three-dimensional objects by depositing materials layer by layer in accordance to the subject's 3D model. 3D printing enables people like you and me to easily manufacture complex objects from the comfort from home. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network or remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or on a personal computer. How can each technology enhance or benefit the teaching practices of adult learners in the career tech and in instructional design? Well, 3D printing, technology through 3D printing, we're able to equip adult learners with the skills needed to create 3D models with computer-aided design software and to 3D print them. Adult learners can acquire basic skills and knowledge in 3D modeling and 3D printing. They will learn to understand how 3D printing is changing design process and its impact. And it can be used to start a business or to get a better job. And it can be used from the comfort from home. Now, cloud computing is technology through cloud computing. Learners can be a great tool for collaboration and to solve problems together. It can encourage teamwork, which can lead to better educational outcomes as students learn from each other. It can enhance relationships. And the frameworks for multiplying impacts that align with my career field is engaging the learner, which technology must capture the learner's attention and then retain it. It also builds the community. Technology can foster community and collaboration for better learning outcomes. How can I make these tools practical and effective in my career field? 3D printing. I can engage and interest the learner, motivate the learner, improve attendance, will allow students to become a part of the growing online community dedicated to 3D printing. Cloud computing. No hardware or software is involved. Learners can use any device to access courses and information. It will cost less, it's easier to maintain, and it has enhanced security. This is the end of my slideshow. This is my works cited page. Thank you.